Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our Odoo tutorial series. In our previous video, I explained various elements such as menus, security files, window actions, tree views, and form views. I also gave you a task to create fields on the property model. Today, we finally get to some UI elements in action. In this video, we will be creating those fields. Fields structure the models of a database. If you picture a model as a table or spreadsheet, fields are the columns where data is stored in the records. That is the rows. Fields also define the type of data that is stored within them. How the data is presented and formatted on the UI is defined by the widget. From a technical point of view, there are 15 types of fields in Odoo. However, you can choose from 20 fields in Studio as some fields type are available more than once with a different default widget. You can also visit this blog to understand different types of fields in Odoo and their attributes. Let's dive in. We will start by navigating to the custom add-ons folder in the Odoo community on the system. I'll open Visual Studio Code from there and begin working on the real.state.property table. We have already created the name field. Next, we need to add several more fields. Here's a quick rundown of the field we will be adding. Description, a text field, postcode, a character field, availability, a date field, expected price, a float field, selling price, a float field, bedrooms, an integer field, living area, an integer field, affiliates, an integer field, garage, a boolean field, garden, a boolean field, garden area, an integer field, and finally garden orientation, a selection field. Great. Now that we have our fields set up, let's move on to the form view. We will arrange these fields in a group format for a better readability. In the tree view, we will display the main fields like this. Next, let's restart the Odoo services. Now, go to the apps menu and upgrade our model. Now, let's head over to the real estate app and create a new record to see how everything looks. As you can see, this is how the form view looks, and this is the tree view. Hopefully you have followed along and everything looks good on your end as well. Before we wrap up, here's a small task for you. Make the selling price field read-only, set default values for the number of bedrooms and availability date fields. Additionally, ensure that the selling price and availability date values are not copied when duplicating a record. We will cover these changes in the next video.